Tonight I'm going to unbox for you a brand new Cosori air fryer oven. Can you believe that? You heard it here in my kitchen. First time ever. Cosori air fryer oven. It's going to be amazing. Whoa. Live life tastefully. Cosori. You know we live the Cosori lifestyle. We have a Cosori slow cooker, Cosori multi-cooker, Cosori air fryer that we use a lot, a 2-quart Cosori pressure cooker, an 8-quart Cosori pressure cooker. We love Cosori around here. Let me open this up. Oh, let me take the box out of the box. All right. Oh, yes. Oh, the handle's good. That was my back. Handles make it handy to handle. Handle it, Roy. Handle it. Handle it. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's going to look nice on our counter. We're going to have to make some room. The original air fryer toaster oven. Oh, all the accessories you'll need to get started. 1800 watts. Oh, and it makes toast. And there's a rotisserie, Oscar. A rotisserie. Oh, rotisserie. Has 12 presets. Toast. I'm going to make toast. I like toast. Extra large capacity. 30 liter. It's a 13-inch pizza. Rapid heat. 360 degree heat circulation. 2-speed fan. 5 smart heating elements. Wow. Isn't that amazing? You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. And I'm unboxing it for you tonight. Before I set it up, because I know you like to see this, I'm going to make something good in it tomorrow. Hashtag I Cook Cosori. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Look at this. Okay. You like Cosori?
Yeah. I love Cosori.
Oh, this will be on Kathy's channel too, right? You're going to use this on your channel?
Oh, absolutely.
I need this. I know what this is for. Take the rotisserie out, right? I wonder if I can get a turkey in here. I think I can get a turkey in here. Imagine an air fried turkey for Thanksgiving. Quit your babbling and get it out. Oh, that's not too heavy once you get it. Oh, nice. Once you get it out of the box, it's not too heavy. We got more stuff down here. Accessories. Nice. I've been framed. Rotisserie, spit, rotisserie forks, tongs that go on the end of that. I'll show you that. It's like a broiling pan or some kind of pan. Prepare your kitchen and your appetite. What have we here? Oh, that's nice. User manual. This is really nice. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Quick reference guide. That's handy to get started with. I want some toast. I like toast. Dehydrate, ferment, warm, pizza, rotisserie, broil, bake cookies, roast, toast, bagel. Wow, that has like a big capacity, if that's the rack, right? Inside? Yeah. Wow. Oh, we got enough. Ah, big recipe book. This might be a crumb tray. beautiful it is. Oh, yes. So nice. So nice. Oh, solid construction. Nice glass. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's 5 heating elements for the 360-degree heating rotation, if I may say that. I'm going to put it here for now, but I'm going to clear a spot on my shelf over there and put this with the microwave and the other oven. Maybe. Doesn't that look beautiful? Looks like a nice TV. Huh? Let's plug it in. Whoa! Hi! It said hi to me! Hi. You know all the presets there. Toast. Bagel, pizza. Well, we got presets. Bake. And then you can change those presets. Look. See? Times. Or temperature. Look, I know how to work it already. Push the button for temperature. Push the button for time. Pretty easy to learn. Roast. Air fry. Broil. Cookies. Rotisserie, I love it. Dehydrator. Ferment. Or just keep warm. Warm is 180, nice. Change your times or whatever. Start, cancel, Celsius, Fahrenheit. The air button. And I haven't even opened the instructions yet, and that's how easy it seems to be. Here's their crumb tray, I'd imagine. See? And then you can put your racks in. Whichever one you're using today. Maybe you want this for fries or something, I don't know. I'll have to read about it. Or that could be for dehydrating maybe. Remember, I'm going to read the instructions, the user manual, and the cookbook, recipes. That's nice. Chicken wings, pizza, more pizza, roast beef, Brussels sprouts. Somebody likes that here.
Yummy.
Rotisserie chicken. I measured a turkey at the store, didn't I?
Yeah.
I wonder. I bet a turkey would fit in there. But you put the rotisserie up on there. That's pretty easy to understand. Well, first of all, well then you got your broiling pan. We know that's for broiling, like in the oven, right? Mm-hmm. And see how this is rounded shape because the back goes out farther for like a 13-inch pizza. I would just like to try toast to demonstrate it with my unboxing. This is 6 slices of toast. How many times did we make 4 slices and it wasn't enough? Let's do that. I have bread. Do you mind making toast for my unboxing? Anybody hungry for toast over there?
Okay.
I do. 6 slices. That's half a dozen. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Making toast. The toast with the most. How's that for an unboxing? Now this will be hot when you open it back up. Alright, let's just go up here to toast. Toast. And then you can adjust you see that piece of bread there? Look. See how the gauge goes lightest? Oh, to darkest 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll try 4. I like my toast dark, but I'm going to try 4. First time using it. Press start. There we go. Hi, say hi again. It's so nice. I love it. And you're going to love it too. I'll put a link in there. Check it out. But I'm going to make some either rotisserie chicken or something tomorrow. But I love the rotisserie. We love dehydrating. I'll be back when the toast is done, okay? I'm going to find room for it over there. I think I could put it right there where those 2 extra pressure cookers are. What do you think?
Yeah, that's a good spot.
Yeah. That's going to look nice.
Right under the microwave.
Yeah. But when we get our bigger kitchen, it's going to be right on the counter. I'll leave it here for a couple weeks because it's new. My new toy. Never thought I'd be so excited about a kitchen appliance.
Are you kidding me?
Alright, I'll be back when it gets a little browned up. I like to see how many minutes are left. You know what I just found out? Look, it's getting brown in there, but I pushed this Fahrenheit Celsius button, and there's a light in there. See it? While it's running, you can turn the light off and on. But if you're just in setup mode, you would change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. There's a little light bulb that lights up there too. Look, a minute and a half left. Nice and brown in there. Oh, I'm loving it. We just decided we might put this on the top shelf over there. We'll see. We'll see how things go. Remember, it's an air fryer. It's an oven, a broiler, a rotisserie, dehydrator. What else do it do? It do all kind of stuffs.
Yeah, all those buttons down the side.
It's amazing. Yeah, custom temperatures. You can change it however you want. If that toast is too light or too dark, why did it light up? Because I pointed at it?
Look how golden brown.
Yeah, it probably just lit up because it's on the last minute. Oh, it's so beautiful. And it smells so good and toasty. And the toast with your most, baby. Where's my butter? I need some butter. Bread butter, bread butter, bread butter, bread butter. Look at it. Beautiful toast. I love it. Look, can you see in there? I hope you can. Oh. Let's plate them up. Where's my butter? Come on! Come on! 7, 6, 5. Look at the toast. You can make it lighter, or you can make it darker. Listen. Look. Thank you. Oh, it's so beautiful. Is that hot, you think?
Can you put the light on in there again? When the door's open?
Oh, is the light on? Let's see. Yeah, if you want to. If you need the light that bad. Look at this. Oh. You should see how it smells from here. Imagine making 6 slices of toast. Bagels, any thickness?
Waffles.
Oh, yes, I love it. Look at the bottom. Ow. Whoa! I told you it was going to be hot. Yeah, waffles. I like my toast buttery. More than that. There we go. First toast made in my Cosori original air fryer toaster oven. Designed in California. This was. Best toast I had all day. It really is. You want a home camera lady?
Okay.
Toast it up. Next we're going to make toast points. This is so great. Just for making toast is amazing. Okay, I'm going to read the instructions a little more. Learn a little bit more about what it does, but you see it was easy to set up without even reading anything. You know? Alright, thanks again, Cosori. Check out Cosori. I'll put a link down there. And tomorrow I'm going to get my truck inspected, so after that I'm going to maybe we'll get a chicken or something. Huh? We could get a turkey in there. That's great. Alright, thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe. Check them out. Go get some toast.